This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Identify single-mode versus multi-mode fiber and the connector type, so you choose the correct SFP. Insert the SFP module gently until it clicks. This prevents damage and ensures optical alignment. Once done, plug the fiber into the SFP port and attach the switch to a reliable power source. Make sure the switch boots fully and LEDs show link activity before moving to port configuration. This confirms physical layers are functioning and prevents wasted troubleshooting later. You now configure the switch. Log into the management interface using the assigned IP and secure credentials, because an unsecured switch is a network risk. Set the fiber ports to 1 Gbps and enable auto-negotiation when connecting mixed devices so link parameters match cleanly. Then create VLAN to segment traffic and assign access or trunk modes to ports. This controls broadcast domains and improves security. Once these settings are applied, save the running config to startup config so your changes persist across reboots. You finish by validating operation. Run throughput and latency tests to confirm a stable gigabit link and expected performance, because real traffic verifies configuration. Monitor LEDs and SNMP or logs for CRC errors, excessive collisions, or loss of signal. These indicate physical or negotiation issues. If problems appear, check SFP seating, clean fiber ends with an appropriate tool, and confirm cable length and type match specifications. Finally, document port assignments and firmware version. This simplifies future maintenance and troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.